What's up guys, welcome back. DY Trucks, Daniel here, and in today's video I got the 2018 F-150. We're gonna do the LED headlights, and we're gonna try to install the fog lights as well. So first things first, you're gonna need I believe it's a 7/30 seconds. There's a few in there, and there's one tab in there on top somewhere that you're gonna have to take out, and you have to turn your wheel. We're gonna pull the liner out, and your headlights are pretty much are exposed right there on the 20 what was it, the 2015 to the 2017. I believe you could try to get your hand through the top, but see, there's one right there, there's one below right there. I think there's another there's one more right here, and there's a clip right here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a clip right there, and then that's gonna get us to stick our hand in and take out the bulbs. So let's remove that, and then I'll show you the assembly for the lights. So this is the 2018 headlights right here, and like I said, we're gonna have to get from behind inside the fender. And what we did is that we took off the we turned the tires in, and we're gonna start taking these little screws out right there. So I'll show you right now how those come off. Just make sure you have a toolkit to take off the tabs for the plastic tabs, you know, the push-in tabs, and so it's easier to take out instead of you not messing them up. So this is the tab I was telling you about. If you have this tool, it's like a little crowbar for all the plastic clips that you have on your car or truck. These are pretty cool to have. You know, you can buy them at Harbor Freight or Amazon or whatever. So these are the bulbs that I got. I got these on Amazon. I'll put them in the description. But let's show you those right now. They are pretty nice. Check these bad boys out right here. Yeah, it's top. 3 on one side, 3 on the other side. Little fan on top. These are the H11s, right? Yeah, these are the H11s. Yeah, H8, H9, and H11. These are pretty nice. They weren't that expensive, but they are gonna do one hell of a job. So let's take that little fender piece off, or the roll well off, and then let's see the original bulbs compared to these bulbs. So this is what the stock bulb looks like, pretty ugly. Let's go compare it to the LED bulb. Way different in size. I hope this fits in there. It's pretty big. It's a monster compared. I mean, it's not that crazy in length, but overall size is huge. So we got the bulb out, so let's put this bad boy in there. All right, so let's turn on these bulbs. We got the bulb in. Oh yeah, it's working already. I can see it from here. So that's what the stock light looks like. And this is with the LED. Oh yeah, big difference. Makes it look like a brand new truck. This looks like a 1999 truck right here. This right here looks like a 2020. So let me turn down. That's what it looks like right there. And that's the factory. Jeez, that's horrible. Look. Doesn't even look like it's on. Compared to this, look at that. Way better. All right, so let's do the other side. So we're not gonna do the fog lights. The fog lights, it's already getting dark, like I said. We're gonna throw these on. These are the parking lights. These are the Lasfit parking lights. Since we already have the the cover off, we're gonna throw these on, and then we're done. We're not gonna do the low beam lights on there. We're gonna do the fog lights later on, since now we know how to take that off. So let's install these and let's see how those work compared to the stock. Oh, okay, so we also got the Raptor style lights. The Raptors come with 3. This is a 4 because the truck grill is wider. And if you get the 3 one, it's kind of odd looking. So we got the 4, and since we have the wheel well cover off, it comes with this jumper. So when you turn on your parking lights, the lights will go on. So we're gonna connect this jumper to our parking lights now that it's off, and then we'll be able to take off the grill, not having to do that step next time. So this piece right here is gonna go into this red and white clip, okay? And then your parking light is gonna go into, I believe, this one right here. And then the harness is gonna go into that one, so you guys know. This is the jumper harness, so we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna install that right now. So this is the bulb right here. It's very easy to take out. I can't really get under there while he's taking it out. There's not enough room for us to do that, but you get the idea. You guys should already know how to do that. So this is gonna go into, like I said, this part right here. This is for this connector, and then this part is gonna go to your harness. So let's get the LED bulb in there, and then we'll do that. Okay, so just make sure you push it in super hard. Don't be scared, but that's what it looks like right there. So let's go test it out, see how it works. All right, so let's test it out. He's gonna plug it in right now. I'm gonna, oh, it's already on. Look how bright that is. It's like looking at the sun. That's gonna look sick in there. All right, so let's install that, and then I will show you the other side. All right, so let's check it out. So this is with the Lasfit LED ones, and this is with the stock ones. Let me tone it down so you can see how. So that's stock, and these are the Lasfit. Way brighter, look at that, way brighter. Oh man, hold on. It's all right. Lasfit, stock. Yeah. All right, so we were gonna do the fog lights, so we decided not to. So we're gonna do this, like I said, we're gonna use the wide jumper, and then you're gonna take these 2 clips off the truck. We're gonna slide it through the grill, mount this, throw this behind the grill, and then plug it into the jumper. So first things first, we're gonna take out each one of these tabs, right there, right there, right there, right there, and that's it. And they are gonna mount to these right here. Take these clips out, and then those little screws are gonna mount straight to the bracket down. We're gonna slide the bar through here, catch it under, take the wire behind this. We're gonna sneak it back here and down to the jumper. Super simple. I thought I was gonna have to take off the whole grill, but sliding through here is pretty smart, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, so like I said, we're gonna have to take these off. Use this. This is great to have, like I said in the beginning. Look at, just pop them off like that. And then we're gonna do one more. We're gonna slide it in between. Take that off, do one more. Oh, just like that. And then we're done. And then we're gonna pop this back like this. And then the grill bracket is gonna go right here. And then we're gonna put the screws in, and then put everything back, and that's it. And then call it a day on that. All right, so we're gonna go through here, and make sure you bend this going up, because you do have that little beam right there that holds the grill piece right there. So we're gonna hold it up, go through right here, make sure you don't hit that little sensor. And then we're gonna go up right here and we're gonna grab it through this piece right here. Put that down. Oh, we didn't take the screws out. We gotta take the screws out. Make sure you take the screws out. And then, is ISO good? Okay, so make sure if you're doing it by yourself, it's gonna be a little tough. If you have help, it's great to have. Make sure that you take off these. If you don't, then it's not gonna be that hard, but it's a little tough without it. So just make sure you pull your grill back just enough to slide this piece over and on top of your plastic frame right here. So you can probably see right here, this piece right here hangs over right there. And then this is gonna align with your grill. You're gonna put the washer on top, and then that goes right there, and put all your clips back. And then we're gonna mount the harness up through here, like I was saying, through here, and it's gonna go through the top and back down, and then we'll call it a day on that part. So let's get this bolted up. Let's get the clips back, and then we will wire it up.
Put this under?
Let me see. So this is what it's gonna look like. It's not gonna, you won't be able to use this clip, but all your other clips are gonna go back on there, so don't worry about that. All your grill clips and stuff. And then this piece is gonna go back on there. This, I mean, if you wanna get a big enough washer later on, the screws are long enough to go through everything. I'm not gonna do that. But this one, we could probably go through on top, and that's gonna hold this down. This one, like I said, if we can find a washer, we'll use the washer, and then we'll put all our clips back. And then I'll show you going back with this piece right here. So you're gonna go through here. You're just gonna push this back, and you can see my finger. So it's gonna go through here, down, up right here, and down into there, and then that's gonna mount to the Y, a Y adapter right there, and call it a day. And then we'll turn them on, and we'll check them out. So once you get it through the grill part right here, you're gonna go follow it all the way through, and then you're gonna go through that little gap right there, which is perfect for it. And then we're gonna go down right here, you can see that, and then down to our white connector that's behind the wheel well. So let's plug those in. Go next step. All right, so we got everything in. Oh, way better like that. We got everything in, put all the clips back in there, looking fresh, looking clean. That's one side. We have the other side to do, but man, that looks super clean. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some for mine. I'm gonna do the hyper white on mine. Do all white, on all white, all white, all white. But yeah, that came out real clean. You see right there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking real fresh. Yeah, looking real clean. So the wire still hangs out right there, but you could pull it more and tuck it in if you want. See, it's gone already. We just didn't really tuck it in, but really can't see it. But yeah, that looks way better like that. Looks super clean. All right, well, let's do the other side, and we'll check it out. So he just went around the block. This is him coming right here. Way brighter than stock. You can see the four Raptor style lights right there. Oh yeah, those are real orange. Way brighter than normal, I'll tell you that much. You can see way better than stock. I hate stock lights. I don't know why every car nowadays doesn't come with LED bulbs, or like the hyper white bulbs stock in there. They should all come with that. Yeah, it looks way better. Look at that. You see how bright they are already. Way brighter. The orange, super clean. Yeah, way bright. Let me see. Yeah, look at that. You can see how bright they are from stock. Stock, you couldn't even see the floor. But yeah, you could tell. Way brighter. And these are, I mean, these are not even, I mean, the Lasfit ones are in the hundreds to 200 range. These are only, I mean, I forget how much they were. How much were they?
600 but they're 12,000.
Yeah, these are, no, the price.
Oh, the price?
Yeah.
$28.
Oh, yeah, these are only $28. So, I mean, compare to, you know, the $100 LEDs, I mean, these are gonna do the job real nice. Look how bright they are. Super bright. Super nice. Really nice color. They're not too white, they're not too blue. You get that weird blue tint when you go into the higher Kelvin lights. I think you go to 7,000, 8,000, you're starting to turn purple. I believe these are 6,000 to 65. This is where you keep that hyper white look. But yeah, these are a must buy if you do not have any LED light whatsoever in your vehicle. It doesn't have to be a truck, cars too, because you know if you don't have any if you don't have good eyes or you wear glasses and it's kind of hard to see at night, then this is a must-have. But yeah, let's go back to the house and let's check them out. All right, so this is what the truck looks like right here from far. Well, you saw it coming down the street. But like I was telling them, the Raptor lights make it look like it's taller, it's beefier. It shows more of the truck. I like it. I'm gonna get some for mine. These are on the 2018. Mine is a 2016. I'm gonna put the link for the twin turbo Magma. This is his truck right here. There's more installs to his truck coming soon, as well as mine. But the next install is gonna be something right here. So that's gonna be a little sneak peek right there, as you just saw. And then I'll catch you guys in the next video. Just make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, you know, and I'll catch you next one. Peace.